Hello and welcome to this Raspberry Pi step-by-step guide. This is Ashraf Al-Madhoun, a mechatronics engineer, graduated from Al-Azhar University, and I've been working and teaching in the engineering industry since 2009. I also work as a freelance mechatronics engineer, helped many students in their graduation projects, gave many courses about many engineering topics including big microcontroller, micro C, broadcast circuit design, and the list goes on. I also work as a writer. I have more than 3 websites, 5 blogs, and I have 2 YouTube channels with more than 1.5 million views. I think that's all what you need to know. I have more than 5,000 students in Udemy in 10 different courses. I hope you will enjoy taking this course with me, and see you in the introduction lesson. Thanks for watching. What you will learn in this Raspberry Pi course: you will be introduced to Raspberry Pi and know what is the difference between each version. You will get a walkthrough Raspbian operating system in order to know which operating system is best for you. You will get the chance to know the difference between Raspberry Pi, Arduino, and BeagleBone board. You will also learn few basic details about electronics world. You will get to know what are general purpose input-output boards in Raspberry Pi. You will run Raspberry Pi and install an operating system on it. Then you will get the chance to program your own projects using a mix of Python language and electronics components. You will also learn how to do advanced control using Raspberry Pi. You will be introduced to different programming language, Python in particular, since it's the it's one of the most known languages and one of the most supported languages for programming Raspberry Pi to do whatever you want in the control industry. So I think that you will, or no, I don't just think, I'm sure that you will enjoy this course. I hope that this course will add new value to your learning experience. See you next lesson.